Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, and today I have some fun things to share with you. The first is I have a curated thread collection with Aurifil. So I'm calling this the Identity Palette, and these are the colors I use most often when I am quilting faces and skin. So there are the color numbers and kind of my inspiration and the color names. And then this is the front of the box, and then when you slide it open, you get 7 small spools in a variety of colors. I particularly love this one for shadows, like all the shadow edges around faces are great with these guys. So if you're looking for a new thread collection, this is the only place you can get it because it is a curated collection between Aurifil and me. So we're the only ones that are carrying it right now, and we would love to share it with you. Next up, we have the All Carolina Shop Pop Quilt. You may have to back up, sorry.
That's okay.
This
is wow, look how pretty.
Yeah, this is our quilt called Delectable Mountains, and I designed it and created it for the All Blue Ridge Shop Pop. So we're going to have kits for this, and the kits are currently available for pre-order, and we'll be able to deliver them or hand them to you on May 1st. The kits will be limited, of course, to the amount of fabric that we have, but it does include a lot of the Shop Pop fabrics. In fact, all of it is Shop Pop fabrics, and it makes really nice use of the border print and the panel print. So that is now going to be hanging in the shop because it just came back to us from Shop Pop Central. And let's see, we've got new fabric. This is called Poppy Seeds Expression Batiks. Capture the delicate beauty of poppies and their lush foliage with vibrant reds, oranges, blues, and greens. This perfect mix of rich hues and soft pastels brings a fresh artistic touch to any project. And this is by Riley Blake Designs, and it smells just like crayons from the wax that's used in the batik production. Oh, and I also need to tell you with the Shop Pop quilt kit, the pattern is not included in the kit because you get your pattern in your Shop Pop magazine. The magazine has 5 free patterns in it, and one of them is for that quilt. So if you do decide you'd like to purchase a kit, you'll just also need to make sure that you have the Shop Pop magazine so that you know what to do with the fabric. That's what we have for you today. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.